Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the endless buzz of daily life, where every moment seems filled with tasks, obligations, and digital notifications? In a world that constantly demands more, how often do we stop and question, is all this really making us happier? Today, we're exploring a powerful yet simple idea that might just be the antidote to our modern-day chaos: adopting a minimalist mindset. Imagine reducing stress, not by adding more solutions to your life, but by subtracting the things that keep you from feeling at peace. That's the heart of minimalism, and it could transform how you live, think, and feel. When we talk about a minimalist mindset, we're referring to a way of life that emphasizes simplicity. It's about stripping away the excess to focus on what's truly important. This mindset isn't just limited to physical items. It extends to all aspects of life, including the commitments we make, the relationships we nurture, and the goals we set. A minimalist mindset means making deliberate choices that align with your most essential values. Adopting a minimalist mindset can be profoundly liberating. It reduces stress by clearing out mental and physical clutter. It increases your focus and productivity by removing distractions. Most importantly, it can lead to deeper satisfaction in life as you spend less time managing belongings or commitments and more time enjoying meaningful experiences and relationships. So, let's discuss some ways you can achieve a minimalist mindset to reduce stress and over-worry and introduce peace and calm into your life. Just as we remove unnecessary items from our homes, it's crucial to clear our minds of the worries and anxieties that take up valuable mental space. These mental clutters disrupt our inner peace and prevent us from focusing on what truly matters. By decluttering your mind from worries, you enhance your mental clarity and emotional resilience. This clarity allows for higher productivity, creativity, and a deeper sense of calm. It's like clearing the fog that obscures your view, enabling you to see your life's path more clearly. In minimalism, the goal isn't just to have fewer things, but to have a clearer mind. Reducing mental clutter aligns with the minimalist principle of eliminating what doesn't serve us, which enhances our overall quality of life. Think about the last time you felt genuinely content. Chances are, it wasn't when you bought the latest gadget. More likely, it was a moment shared with others, a new place you explored, or perhaps a personal achievement. This brings us to a fundamental principle of minimalism: valuing experiences over things. Experiences bring us more lasting happiness than material goods. They become a part of our identity, shaping who we are and how we relate to the world. Unlike physical objects that quickly become outdated or lose their luster, memories of experiences can provide joy that increases over time as they're recalled and shared. In a minimalist mindset, the focus shifts from accumulating possessions to enriching life through experiences. This helps declutter your priorities, allowing you to focus on what enhances your well-being. So, what experiences have brought you the most joy? Think about how you can pursue more moments like these, rather than spending on the next big thing. In a world where being busy is often mistaken for being productive, it's vital to step back and reassess how we spend our time. Embracing a minimalist mindset isn't just about clearing your space, it's about intentionally managing your time. Being intentional with your time means prioritizing activities that align with your values and goals, rather than just filling your schedule with tasks, which improves productivity and enhances your quality of life. You'll find more joy in your daily activities and feel less rushed and stressed. It's about making the hours in your day meaningful, not just full. A minimalist approach to time is about stripping away the busy work to focus on what enriches your life. This shift can lead to profound changes in your personal and professional life. As Annie Dillard famously said, "How we spend our days is, of course, how we spend our lives." Make each day count by being intentional with your time. Fear can often occupy more space in our minds than it deserves, holding us back from pursuing our true potential and living freely. Just as we declutter our spaces, we can also declutter our minds from the fears that imprison us. Adopting a minimalist mindset can be a powerful tool in managing and overcoming fear. By simplifying our thoughts and focusing on what's essential, we can reduce the complexities that often breed anxiety and fear. By minimizing fear-driven thoughts and actions, you free up mental space and empower yourself to take actions with confidence and clarity. Overcoming fear allows you to engage more authentically in your life's pursuits and to connect more deeply with others. Remember, courage isn't the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Let minimalism help you reduce the fears that cloud your mind and start living with the bravery you truly possess. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As we close, I leave you with this thought. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Let's strive for a life filled with genuine experiences and moments that truly define us. Embrace minimalism and watch your world transform in the most amazing ways.